Feel it in your bones. Good one, see? Because he's a skeleton in the bones.
I am not laughing.
Of course. Well, maybe you're just missing your funny bone. Really? No? Why don't I just sit with Nico?
You're here in the presence of the monster who haunts the spookiest kitchens of the best restaurants, with eerie hors d'oeuvres or the mysterious croissants. Why, it is Chef Remy Bones. Observe them, the master of the finest cuisine, one chillingest chefs that Transylvania has seen. Once cooked for Bigfoot and the zombie king and queen. Yes, it is Chef Remy Bones. Chop, chop, plop it on the stove top, pop in half a cup, stop, boil it, broil it, fry out, tell off again and saute, poach and pere, puree, fricassee and flambe, spider souffle, blended, basted, something vicious, now that's delicious. So watch as each carrot is impeccably sliced, the celery's chopped and the zucchini is diced, creating a meal that's fit for any poltergeist. And now the secret spicing that will make it more enticing. You toss in some claws and then you turn up the heat. A cup full of goo and ooh la la, it's so sweet. Some scales and some cobwebs and it's time to eat the tasty treat that makes a meal complete. So come and have a seat. I say bon appetit, all thanks to Chef Remy Bones.